Join me as I dive deep into the world of stocks and attempt to figure out if KULR stock is a smart buy right now. KULR Technology is a company that's been making waves in the industry with its innovative approach to thermal management and battery safety. As we consider whether KULR stock is a buy, it's essential to understand the company's relevance in the current market landscape. KULR solutions are designed to address the growing need for efficient thermal management in various industries, including electric vehicles, renewable energy, and consumer electronics. The company operates in a highly competitive space, with established players vying for market share. One of the significant challenges KULR faces is staying ahead of the competition, not just in terms of technology but also in scaling its operations to meet growing demand. Market volatility also plays a role, as fluctuations in the stock market can impact investor confidence and, ultimately, the company's stock performance. Additionally, technological hurdles are a constant concern, as the pace of innovation in this field is rapid, and KULR must continually invest in research and development to stay relevant. Another challenge KULR faces is the risk associated with its growth strategy. As the company expands its product offerings and enters new markets, it must manage the risks associated with scaling quickly. This includes maintaining quality control, managing supply chains, and ensuring that its products meet the evolving needs of its customers. The company also needs to navigate regulatory environments that are continually evolving, especially as it expands into new markets. Compliance with various standards and regulations can be a complex and costly process, but it's essential for KULR's long-term success. Recently, KULR has made significant strides in terms of financial performance and innovation. The company's financial reports have shown promising growth in revenue, driven by increasing demand for its thermal management solutions. This growth is a positive indicator of KULR's potential for long-term success. In terms of innovation, KULR has been investing heavily in research and development, which has led to the introduction of new products and technologies that address emerging trends in the industry. One of the critical factors that could influence KULR's future performance is its ability to continue innovating and adapting to changing market conditions. If the company can maintain its momentum and continue to deliver strong financial results, it may be well positioned for long-term growth. However, as with any stock, there are risks involved, and investors should carefully consider these factors before making a decision. KULR's market strategies have also been noteworthy, with a focus on expanding its customer base and strengthening its partnerships with key players in the industry. By diversifying its revenue streams and building strong relationships with its customers, KULR can reduce its dependence on any one market or customer, which can help mitigate risk. The company's recent innovations in battery safety are particularly exciting, as they have the potential to disrupt traditional approaches to thermal management. If KULR can successfully commercialize these technologies, it could see significant growth in the coming years. My assessment is that KULR stock has potential, but it's essential to approach this investment with a critical eye. The company's recent financial performance and innovations are encouraging, but there are risks involved, and investors should carefully consider these factors before making a decision. The stock's future performance will likely depend on KULR's ability to execute on its growth strategy and continue to innovate in a rapidly changing market. In terms of critical factors that could influence KULR stock performance, I would highlight the company's ability to scale its operations, its innovation pipeline, and its market positioning. If KULR can successfully navigate these challenges, it may be well positioned for long-term growth. To recap, we've discussed KULR's relevance in the current market landscape, the challenges it faces, and its recent financial reports and innovations. The company's potential for long-term growth is encouraging, but it's essential to approach this investment with caution. If you've been following along and have thoughts on KULR stock, I'd love to hear from you. Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about the stock market or other emerging technologies, be sure to check out another video on my channel where I dive into similar topics.